Ever wondered about the world beyond spot trading in Forex? Welcome to the realm of Forex Options Trading, where opportunities are as diverse as they are dynamic. Picture a marketplace where you can buy or sell currency at a predetermined price before a set date. That's the beauty of Forex Options Trading. It's a game of strategy, not chance, where you predict the rise or fall of currency prices. And the best part, you can limit your losses while having unlimited potential for gains. Forex Options Trading isn't just about currency exchange, it's about leveraging the power of prediction, strategy, and calculated risk. So step into the world of Forex Options Trading, where every tick of the clock brings a new opportunity. Dive in, strategize, and conquer the market. Remember, in Forex Options Trading, the world is your marketplace. This is the essence of Forex Options Trading, a world beyond spot trading. Unleash your potential and seize the day.